Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. Now it's by LJOLUSESI. So yeah, today we are day 9, 9th of December, for the a&a advent calendar, if you didn't guess by the title. Number 9's up here. Oh, we have a pink one. Oh dear. Precious. Focus. Hello. Why is it not focusing? There we go. Precious special mix. This is more of a darker pink. Shit. It's got pink and purple in it. That's more of like a, what colour can I say? Like a dark ox blood. It's like a dark purpley red. Pretty. Let's swatch, because we all love a swatch. God. Just faffing, you know. Those signs. That's very pretty. Gosh. Don't know what more to say about this one. I won't say that it's my favourite, but I do like it. Why is it so dark? Yeah, it's pretty. Right, that is it for today, my loves. Again, this one is the Precious Special Mix. I should have zoomed you in. Why didn't I just zoom you in? Silly Billy. Give you one quick look again. There you go, that's better, isn't it? There you go. Pretty, pretty. Right. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't know why it keeps going out of focus. Right, yeah. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow, day 10. Bye bye.